Google's Nano Banana model lets you create any perspective or shot from within the same scene. This is amazing for creating realistic videos with AI, where you can specify the first frame and last frame of the video, and have much more creative control over the video that is generated for you. Here are videos I was able to generate using this method. To do this, go to Google AI Studio and click on the Nano Banana tool. Start with an initial image that will define the scene for your video. You can use a real photo or generate an image with any AI model. I generated this product shot of a drink for dogs called Pup Tea. Then I'll upload this image to Nano Banana, along with the prompt, a golden retriever holding the can in the same room. Here's what it produced, which I'll download. Now, go to any AI video model that can use the first and last frames as image inputs. I'll use Google's free VO2 model inside Flow in Google Labs. I upload the close-up of the can as the first frame and the dog with the can as the last frame. Here's the videos it generated for me. Here's another example of this flow. I generated this image of two dogs drinking that same drink on a boat. Then I uploaded it to Nano Banana, with the prompt of an aerial overhead shot of the same scene. Here's what it produced. Again, we go to VO2. I took my original image as the first frame, and the Nano Banana image as the last frame. And here's the video it created.